Morning, guys. So I'm just waking up for today, and I just decided to pick up my phone to shoot. So I actually have some few things to do today. Once I'm done studying my Bible, I have two videos, one from Teasdars and the other from Kevin Talent. I have two Forex videos to watch before I open my chat this morning. I don't just want to rush into any trade. I don't want to rush into any trade for now. I just want to pay more attention on learning more, improving my knowledge. I might trade today, but before I open the charts to do any analysis, I just want to watch those videos first, because I saw something on liquidity yesterday when I was going through Tisda's video. So I saw something on liquidity I haven't learned before, and I was really interested. Like, it's really got my attention. It really got my attention. I'm really interested in understanding that part of liquidity, so I will not be liquidated in the market. Do you get? So once I'm done with my Bible, I'll just pick up. I'm not going out today, so I'll just pick up my phone and watch that liquidity videos and that of Kevin Talent. So when I'm done with it, I'll just open my chart and then see if I will see any setup for today. If I don't see any setup, I won't trade, because I just want to stick to my rules. I just want to stick to my rules of not trading when there's no clear setup, not chasing any trades. Because my friend used to complain that I jump into trades, I'm not disciplined, and I have poor risk management. So I just want to tackle that part of me. I just want to tackle that part of me. Even when I'm trying to get my edge in the market, I still need to work on my psychology, on my risk management. So yeah, I need to be disciplined. I don't need to jump out of the market when I see the market retreating, or jump into the market when I see that the market is going my way. Do you get? So that's it. Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are all right. Hope you guys are fine. So guys, I want to do my analysis now. And the only pair I can trade for now, it's gold, Euro USD, JAR 40, and GBP USD, because the pop account I'm using currently, I'm in the first place. The pop account, their spread, Jesus, their spread is somehow, especially for Ethereum and BTC. Their spread is so wide, so I just can't trade Ethereum and BTC for now. So I'm just going to open my system now. I'm going to open my laptop now and see if I'll get any setup for either Euro USD, JAR 40, and gold. Yes, I'm going to check out gold. The gold is expensive, but I'm just going to try it out. I'm not going to risk more than $5 in that proper account for Euro USD, JAR 40, GBP USD, and any other forex pairs. But for gold, I won't risk more than $7. Anything above $7, I don't want to risk it. I just don't want to risk it. So guys, let me open my chat and let me see if I will get any setup. Let me see. So guys, let's check if I will see any setup for JAF, for either JAF 40, and Euro USD. So guys, if you've been trading for long now, like, what has been your experience? What has your experience been like in the forex market? Like, I know most of us, there are some points we just feel like giving up. We just want to quit, right? So I really want to hear from you guys. How has the experience been for you so far? And what pair do you trade more often? Is it BTC? Is it gold? Is it Ethereum? Is it Euro USD or GBP USD or the JPY pairs? Like the CAD JPY, the AUD JPY, the USD JPY, and the GBP JPY. The only JPY pairs I know I look at whenever I want to trade JPY pairs is GBP JPY, like GJ. So guys, how has the experience been for you guys? Are you at the verge of giving up, or you still want to lock in? Like, you still want to keep pushing until you get it right? And about your strategy, has it been working for you well? Have you gotten your edge in the market, or you're still trying to build your edge in the market? I really want to hear from you guys. I know you guys are pro traders, right? I know you guys are pro traders. So I would like to hear from you guys. So I'm observing my chart. I would really like to hear from you guys. Please drop your comment, drop comment, drop comments. Let me know how has it been for you. How has it been for you? Has it been fun? Has the forex market been fun for you, or you're fighting with the forex market? Share your experience, guys, in the comments. And who knows? So somebody may learn from what you share in the comments. So I'd like to actually hear from you. How has the experience been for you so far? How has the experience been for you so far? So I'm looking at EU. I'm looking at EU, though I have a setup on the 4 hour time frame, but that 4 hour time frame, that's one of my problems. Like, to wait for the market to come to my POI, it might not even be today. That's one thing about trading with higher time frame. It might not even be today, because look, I don't know if you can see. Where my POI is very far. Like, I have a setup on the 4 hour time frame on Euro USD, yeah, but I don't know if I have the patience to wait. Because if I want to wait for price to get to this place before I take any trades, the price may not get here today. Price may not get here today, or maybe to get here during Asian session. Maybe to get to my POI during the Asian session. And that's one thing about trading higher time frames. That's one thing about trading higher time frame. I've been trying to learn on how to trade lower time frame, like 15 minutes, 5 minutes. How to just trade with lower time frame, more like scalping. Because I want to really be getting trade, like I want to be trading often, like I want to be trading in a day like this. I want to be able to take like 3 trades. I want to be more of an intraday trader, but I'll be finding it difficult because most of the setup I do get, they're actually coming from 4 hour and 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour is also an intraday, but sometimes before price will get to my PY, it may likely not even get there that same day. That's the thing. So let me check for that pressure if I will get any setup, if I get a good setup for other pairs in a lower time frame. Let me just check. So I trade basically market structure and liquidity, and I'm still learning. I'm still learning market structure and liquidity, because that's where I want to build my strategy around. Let me see. JAR 40. Let me open JAR 40. Mm-hmm. Oh wow. Thank you. Okay. Okay, I have a buy setup on JAR 40, but price hasn't gotten to my POI yet. So I think I will just have to wait. I'll just have to wait until price gets to my POI on the JAR 40 and on the Euro USD. Because I have a buy setup too on the Euro USD. So I have a buy setup on Euro USD and JAR 40 on a 4 hour time frame. Both of them are both 4 hour time frame. But I'm still trying to build myself to understand how to trade more of 15 minutes, to trade with the 15 minutes time frame. Let's say for instance now, um it's more like counter trading though. It's more like counter trading. So since price is selling, that's retracing to my buy POI, there are some people that knows how to trade very well, that they will sell until price get to their POI. You get, so that's that part that I want to try and learn. I want to understand how to trade either with the 5 minutes and the 15 minutes time frame, to trade to about 50%. Yeah, let me just say, to trade to the discount zone before price gets to my POI. Yeah, that's one thing I want to try and learn more on, how to use 15 minutes and 5 minutes to trade the retracement. That's to trade pullback. That's counter trading. I want to learn how to use the 5 minutes and the 15 minutes to trade pullback before price get to my buy POI, because there are times you may have a buy setup for a particular pair and price is fluctuating. Before price will get to your POI, it may take like, especially if you're using the 4 hour time frame, it may take like a day or two before price gets to your POI. So I want to learn how to use that 5 minutes and 15 minutes to trade the retracement. That's since I want to buy to sell before to sell until price gets to my POI. You get. But if I'm trading this particular counter trading, I know that my setup will be, my TP will be on a key level before price gets to my POI. So that's what I want to try and learn more on. So guys, about this trade, I will keep you guys updated. I will tell you the outcome of the trade, any of the trade I'm going to take. If I don't take it, I'll still let you know the outcome. I'll keep you updated on the outcome of any of the trade I will take. So guys, about this forex market, forex trading is not really that easy. Like when I got started, I usually think that forex market is easy to navigate. You can just, it's not just for you to learn support resistance, learn market. This is beyond your expectation as a beginner. Like this is way beyond what your initial thoughts that okay, this forex market is, I'll just, when I see that the market is buying, I'll just buy. If I see the market is selling, is like it's way beyond it. You have to have like, you need to build your edge in the market. And you need to build your edge. You need to know what works for you. You need to know, okay, what particular pair works best for me. What pair gives me more wins than other pairs? What pair should I focus more on now? Like the first market is interesting if you know how to trade, because I've seen like one of my mentors, the guy is a Ghanaian. The guy trades very well. Like I'm so jealous of him. He's a consistent profitable trader though. He knows his onion and is very profitable. So initially when I got started, a lot of people were telling me that forex trading is scam. There's nobody making it from forex trading. Those people that are telling you that are making it from forex trading, that they are just selling courses, they are selling mentorship. That's where they get their money from. Though there are some that get their money from mentorship, but when I got to encounter my one of my mentors, the guy is very profitable. I got to understand that forex trading is beyond. Forex trading is not scam. Like forex trading is not scam, and it's just more of knowledge. They say information is power. It's more of information. It's more of information. You just have to get the right information. You need the right information. You need the right people around you. And because if you have the wrong people, you have the wrong mindset about forex trading. So during my conversation with this my mentor, I got to understand that the reason why most people stopped trading, they gave up on trading at some point, was because like they never had the right people. They never had the right people who advise them and tell them, and probably give them the right information. Because even in the forex market like this, pro traders, expert traders are still learning. Like they just keep learning. They keep learning because no one is above learning. No one is above learning. Even my mentor is still learning, because no one is actually above learning. So when I saw him making money from forex, I was like, wow, so somebody can make money from forex like this, and people were telling that forex is a scam. But my prayer is that I myself should become profitable. I actually want to be profitable. God should help me become profitable. God should reward my efforts. God should reward my efforts. I actually want to be profitable. I actually want to be profitable. Like I'm really I'm really happy when I see people making it from forex. I'm just like, wow, so people can make it from forex. Like seriously. So I want to be living proof. I want to be living proof. I don't want to be telling people that forex is not a scam. I want my results to be able to tell them that yes, forex is not a scam. So guys, uh I think I'll have to leave you guys here. So guys, what's your own perspective about the forex market? Is it treating you well? And if peradventure you have an intention of starting forex trading, what are your reasons? Why do you want to start forex trading? And what's your vision with forex trading? I would actually like to hear from you guys. So I want to know how the forex market has been treating you, and if you intend starting forex trading, what's your vision with forex trading? What's your vision with forex trading? And if you want to start, please go ahead. Follow your desires, follow your mind. Just follow your mind. You can start with a prop. You don't have to fund a life account, because prop account gives you access to more capital and help you build discipline and your emotions too. So let me hear from you guys. Let me hear from you guys. How's the forex market been for you? What pair do you like to trade? And how how does your strategy work? Has it been working for you? Have you found your edge in the market? And what's your advice to beginner traders? What's your advice to beginner traders? Yeah, I would like to hear from you guys. And if you're watching my video for the first time, please do help to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.